Hello my friends, in this video I will be showing you how to fix broken plastic parts. As you can see, I have my fender here, my plastic side cover, which is broken. There is a broken piece here, and it was broken in several places like here and here. In order to fix this, you can use a normal soldering iron. Any soldering iron that can melt plastic can be used, and usually this kind of plastic is made from ABS plastic. For this you can use, for example, zip ties. Yes, I will be using zip ties, or if you have a 3D printer you can use classic ABS filament to melt and fix the issues here. I have some parts that I already have fixed. As you can see here, I have used black zip ties. Here I have used red zip ties that I had lying around, but since I have already used up all my red zip ties, I will be using the black one and the white one for this video. So I will show you how to do that. Let's do it. Okay, so first of all we have to plug in our soldering iron. ABS plastic causes a lot of fumes when it is melted, so make sure that you do this procedure in a well ventilated area. So we will have to wait until it is hot enough to melt the plastic. So I will prepare my zip ties. I want to use the white one or the yellow one that I have here on the areas that will be visible from the outside, and in the inside area I will be using anything else. Since I will be painting this part, I don't really care about the plastic that I will be using, as long as the part is strong. First I will be starting by this edge where I want to add the plastic here so I can create the ear. So the outside here is already melting. Also for this we have to buy a tip that is not pointing. So I used the normal tip, and I have used the file to file it down to have a bigger surface area. Okay, now it's melting. Maybe you can also use a 3D pen for this. Let's try the ABS front. Here. Yes, that is melting faster. So let's do that. The most important part is the first bond. After the first bonding, the melted place is okay, then you can just add more and more. So you mix them together with the heat. Later on we can use sandpaper and filaments to finish the surface area. Let's try now if it's not enough to melt. Okay, yes, but since we melt it, it will get dark anyway, so let's just use the black ABS plastic. start making the ear. So prepare it for the bond. Here to help to make a bridge, just put a few pieces there. Here. Wait for them to dry. And now we work from the other side. Again, start layering. Once we have the bridge, then we can start melting plastic there to create a gap, to fill in the gap. Once you created the bridge, make sure that you melt the bridge completely so it's merged into the layer. So this is the final product. You can see the ear is there. It's pretty thick, so you can use the sandpaper to smooth it out and do the finishing touches. And this is how you fix a broken part. If you want to have a strong rubber bond, you can see here it's strong, see it's flexing. The difference between this kind of fix with the plastic and using AB or you know, a different kind of epoxy glue is that the epoxy glue is not flexible and it is easy to break. This is the same plastic, same kind of plastic as the original one, so it is strong. It's a strong bond. If you like the video, subscribe and follow us in the next videos. See you later. Bye.